All right, 10.3 independent practice. These are all triangles, so you'll be using the same formula every time. 1/2 BH for this one. Plug in the base, plug in the height. Now you could do this all in one shot, 1/2 times 15 times 6, and you will get 45 inches squared. Or you could do like two-step. I don't care which way you do it. 15 times 6 is 90. Then take that 90 and multiply by 1/2. Next up, number 2. Same thing. Put in your base, put in your height. That should be your answer. 3.6 meters squared is your official answer. Again, you could do all this, just type that all into your calculator, do it all in one shot and get that answer. Or you could do this extra step right here. The choice is yours. All right, next up, we have an area, we have a height, but we don't have a base. So first step is to write that formula. Remember, repetition of the formula is good because then it gets stuck in your brain. There will come a time when people won't supply you with the formula, or you're just going to have to know 1/2 times base times height is the triangle formula. So first, we're going to put the 1.8 in for the height and the 4.86 for the area. Then if you remember from our initial video where we first learned this, we do 1/2 times 1.8b. So you're basically taking half of 1.8, which is 0.9 or 9/10. So you get 9/10 b. Make sure you carry that b with you down to the next line of work. Then we're going to isolate b by dividing both sides by 9/10. Balance your equation. You end up getting 5.4 yards. And that's your answer. Yeah, it's just yards as opposed to yards squared because it's just a base. Same thing here. We're going to put 2.5 in for our area. We're going to put the 5 kilometers in for our base this time. So this time the height is the thing we don't know. So as you can see, we're carrying that h with us the whole way through our work. Take 1/2, multiply it by 5h. So half of 5 is 2.5. So it's 2.5h, bring the h with you, and then go ahead and do the inverse operation, divide by 2.5, balance your equation, you end up getting 1 kilometer as your answer. Bayla draws a triangle with a base of 15 centimeters, height of 8.5 centimeters. She colors the space inside the triangle. What area does she color? So you're just looking for area. It's just a fancy way of saying find the area. Go ahead, substitute those values. This is a basic one. You get 63 7/75 centimeters squared. That's your official answer. 63 3/4 centimeters squared. And the last one, we have one more kind of area type problem. It's a triangular sign, and the area is 558 inches squared. The base is 36 inches. What is the height? So we will input the things we know, 558 for area and 36 in for base. We'll do 1/2 times 36h. So basically take half of 36, which is 18, becomes 18h. Divide both sides by 18, which is the inverse operation. Balance your equation, all that good stuff. You end up getting 31 inches. That's your official answer. And that is all you got to do. If you need, make sure you do what the sign says there and hit submit. Otherwise, I won't know you did your work.